Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to align text in the button on Wix. Let's get started. So as you can see right now, I have here a text for this specific button. So what I can do is I can actually just head over and click on that specific text right here. So let me just move the things around first. So click on this text right here that we have. And then as you can see, you can click on edit text right here. So in order to click it, as you can see, you will see more settings right here and as well as the alignment. So it is actually aligned to the left. Now we can align it to the center, just like this. Now as you can see, it will change alignment. Now if you align this on the right, it will also move this thing on the right. Now let's align this to the center since this will actually look more professional. So you could also just move this specific text right here around the specific button if you want to align it manually. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.